Welcome to JuliesApron.com. Grab your apron and let's make these immunity shots. As the weather's changing and fall season is upon us, so is cold and flu season. Boost your immunity this year with immunity shots you can make at home with clean ingredients without any additives or preservatives. Super simple and only 4 ingredients. Cheers to good health. The ingredients for these immunity shots, you will need honey, ginger, lemon, and some water that's not pictured. Start off by peeling the skin on the ginger. This step is optional, but I prefer peeled ginger. Then using a lemon or citrus juicer, juice your lemons. It is best to use fresh lemons for this recipe to get the full nutrients. Do not use the store concentrate. You won't get the same results and the health benefits. In a food processor or in a blender, chop up the ginger until it's finely minced. Add some of the lemon juice or water into the ginger just to help break that up and get the juices from the ginger. Prepare a large bowl with the sieve on top and pour out the minced ginger, letting all the juices drain into the bowl underneath. Using a spatula, lightly press down on the ginger, releasing all the juices down into the bowl underneath. Once you've squeezed all the ginger juices out of the roots, pour in the lemon juice on top, then the water, and lastly add in the honey. Mix in the honey into the juices until it fully dissolves. You may need to use a whisk depending on your honey, but my spatula worked just fine. To make individual servings, prepare your glass vials and pour in the juice using a funnel. Store in the refrigerator and make sure to use them up within a week. Follow JuliesApron.com for more recipes.